Hello everyone, hope all are fine. This is Samreen here, and today in your English second I am going to give you the revision of lesson number 1 as your exams are approaching. So everyone open lesson number 1 and start revising, and after that I'll be discussing exercises with you. Yes, students, this is your chapter, The Owls and the Family. Basically, this story is written by Ruskin Bond, as we have already informed you, we have already told you. This topic or this chapter is related to two owlets and one mother owl, and we have studied that how the writer found two baby owlets in the veranda, but the owlet was very scared, and no, the grandfather of the writer picked them up, and then after receiving the love and care from the family or from the grandfather or from the writer, the owlets became very comfortable in the house. But there are other characters also in the story, like grandmother and Aunt Mabel. Okay, Aunt Mabel was not very much comfortable or very much friendly with the animals, so she was all the time scared. But we studied that at the end she was also very happy with those owlets, as they were no, they didn't harm any of the family person, any of the person in the family. They were very harmless creature. And what happened in the story, when the owlets started becoming familiar with all the family members, but the mother owl, she was not very much confident. She had the fear that whether the baby owlets had their meals or not. So she sometimes she used to come, and she used to leave the food for the baby owlets. And once what happened, grandfather and the writer, they both took them, the birds, no, into the garden, and they wanted them to go back to go back with their mother. And when they did this one, so that time the mother was not, means, very comfortable with the grandfather and the writer, and she harmed the writer once. Then after some time, not some time, even after one day, what happened, they found one more owlet in the veranda, and then they understood that the mother owl, she knew that if the baby owlets will be there in the family, they will be cared fully by the family members, and slowly they became familiar. And the family taught, means we learnt from this chapter, that when we give love and care to the animals, they will never harm us. So this is the chapter all about. Okay, we have already given the full explanation of the chapter in the previous videos, as well as your live classes are going on. So in that also you are going to have revision of these chapters. Okay, now I'll be starting with the quick answers. Okay, these are important one. Basically you have to write F or T related to the all the sentences are related to the owlet. So the first one is, the spotted owlet is the largest owl species. This is false. Okay, next one is, spotted owlets and manas are friends. This is also false, as you can see in your book. I hope all are having book right now to understand it. Next one is, spotted owlet live in holes on trees. This is true. Next one is, spotted owlets are completely nocturnal birds. They come out only at night, not at all. It is false. Spotted owlets eat other animals, other small animals. It is true. Spotted owlets have sharp eyes. It is true. Then spotted owlets have weak beaks. No, it is false. Then spotted owlets enjoy getting wet. Yes, they enjoy getting wet, as we have studied in the chapter also, that they were very happy when they had this rain water splashed. Then these are the reference to context, and these are related to the context which has taken from the from the story. So I hope you all have prepared, I think, till now. Okay, these are very small questions, and for sure you have to learn long question also, because you may get very some of the questions, small questions from these long questions. Okay, one word questions. Now come on the next page. There is one matching, and I think that you all can do. It is there on page number 21, where you have to match like earth with worm, rattlesnake, dragonfly. So that is a very easy one, and I hope that you all have done and you all can understand that better. Now I am telling you the anagram on page number 22, which is very important, where some of the words are written, and we have to make proper, we have to make proper word from these unscramble letters. So we have to rearrange those letters. Like scent is written here, so we will write nest. Roaster, roaster. Rotors, roaster. Wolf, we will write fowl. Then next one is raptor, means parrot. Next bake means beak. Veloz, swallow. Honor, heron. Then low, owl. Okay, like that. So please prepare this one also. Now antonyms, same. Antonyms means opposite meanings. So we have to give opposite meanings of like raw, release, unselfish, terrified. Okay, like raw means kacha. So if opposite we will write of raw, that will be cooked. Okay, for example here later means earlier or sooner, opposite. So like that you all have to revise. These are important one. And there is one more exercise on page number 23, where you have to put types of noun. Okay, like abstract, collective, proper, common, material, that we have all discussed in the grammar also and in this chapter also. So what you have to do, any type of question may come in the exam, like there will be names of the particular places. So we will ask you what type of noun is it, so you will write proper. If you will give common names like chair, table, then that will be common noun. And if we will be giving like names of the objects like gold, silver, so the iron, they are like material noun. Okay, then the things which we can count, okay, singular or plural both, can be countable nouns. And the things which we cannot count, like water, gold, milk, sugar, etc., so these are uncountable noun. So dear students, like that you all have to prepare lesson number 1. I have given you the revision also. Okay, now it is your responsibility to study sincerely, and if you have any doubt, please clear your doubt in the live class, or you can write in the comment section also. Okay, I'll be giving you the revision of next chapters, chapter number 2 and poem, in the next video. Till then everyone, take care.